Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Waltz, and in today's fast-paced world, it's really important that you set up your email notifications for your Go High Level forms and surveys, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So first you want to head over to Sites, and then once you're over at your site area, then you can either make these changes to an existing form, which that's what we're going to be using for today's tutorial, or this is how you're going to do it when you set up a new form. So first what you'll do is you'll go over to your form and you'll click the three dots. Once you do that, you'll see that it'll pull up the edit pencil and you'll click on your edit pencil. And then next, this is where it's going to happen. Over here, where it has the bell icon, you can see that it says Show Notification Settings. You'll click on that, and then look, this is where the magic happens. You'll just simply toggle that button over, and then now what you have to do is fill in the steps. So the first step is going to be your subject. So just title the subject, so this way when you get your email notification, it'll jog your memory and you'll know which form that it's coming from, which site it's coming from, and then the next step will be to fill out what email you want your notification to be sent to. And then lastly, the sender name. You'll want to fill this in if you want to know where the sender it's coming from, and of course, as it says, your sub account will be added if it's left blank. Then don't forget to hit save. And that's it. And then the final key about this is no longer do you have to set up any type of notifications in your workflows. So this is a really big update to what we used to previously have with our Go High Level forms and surveys.